kind of crazy because it's such a sound.
What's good, guys? Something a little different today, man. But before we get to that, take a look at this baby right here, man. That's what y'all came to see. Usually, right? Just watched it yesterday, so you already know. Looking nice and shiny. Let's get this thing started real quick. You see I got the baseball glove with me. Can't get enough. All right, we're gonna have to turn that off real quick. I ain't trying to get that copyright. But yeah, man, I got the baseball glove with me because we're about to go play some baseball. And yeah, man, that's pretty much what's gonna happen. I mean, I don't know. If you guys are seeing it, you guys will know something else happened, you know. So if the thumbnail and the title say something, then you already know what happened. But for now, we're just gonna go play some baseball. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much. It helps out tremendously. Without further ado, man, let's go. These guys, man. All the fast guys over here. Uh-oh.
Hey, that's you, look alive!
Got him. We're just batting practice right now, or what?
Huh?
Batting practice right now?
We don't have enough people to do a game, so we're just chilling.
I haven't played in a while, bro. It's been a little minute. All right, we got 2 on.
Oh, shit.
It's all good, he's gonna drop it. That's bases loaded. Ooh, and I'm up. Hey, record this, yeah?
Fucking home run right here, man. Hey, he was running out of it. Grand slam. Next time I should just drop it.
Home run right here.
Ready? Oh, he is there. Start running. Oh, he's running. Run! Run, Adrian! Keep going! Run!
Grand slam, baby. Let's go. Thank you. We back. We back.
Score, what's the score? I wasn't even paying attention.
I'm out of breath.
1, 2, 3. Oh, 4. 4-3 now.
We up now. All right, man. I just hit one home, 14-16. We just need 2 more, man. This is the last inning? This is the last inning, huh? Let's go, baby.
On your out. 2 outs?
No, that's 1. That was the first one. He's trying to cheat. That boy trying to cheat, bruh.
Hey, get up there. Hey, first.
Damn. Well, we did our best, man. Good game, dog. We out of here, man. No, I'm saying I did. Hey, we did what we could. It was a good game. It was a good game. That was the first time I played since Little League. But your boy still got it. You know what I'm saying? Still got them hits. Yes, sir. Got a grand slam. Called it too, young Babe Ruth. But we out of here, though.
See you next morning.
Yo, what's going on, guys? As you guys can see in the title and the thumbnail, meeting up with the guy that has a Ram TRX. It was actually funny. I seen it one time around town, and I was like, oh shit, it's a Ram TRX right there. And then literally a few days later, he hit me up, and he was trying to get a video in. So yeah, man, like I said say less, I'm with it. So we're probably gonna get a few videos in with him. What the fuck? Setting people up, man. Big old box in the middle of the freeway. But yeah, like I said, we're probably gonna get a few videos in with him. Damn, that lady was all the way up in her nose. What is going on right now, bro? In this one, you guys see, we're gonna take a look at it. We're just gonna do a little overview of it, and I'm sure you guys seen what happens in the little intro and all that. And then we'll probably get a race in too. I want to see how the Scat does against the TRX. But if you guys enjoy, like, comment, subscribe. It helps out tremendously. I appreciate it greatly. Thank you guys so much. Those likes go a long way in the channel's growth. So if you want to help out, that's the way to do it. Appreciate you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna catch you guys in a minute. I see it. You guys see it right there? That Ram TRX. Sheesh, okay. So here it is, man. Ram TRX right here with my boy. You wanna give him a little plug or whatever?
Sold oil actually.
Okay.
Colton. Been 805, born and raised my whole life.
There you go.
I had a Jeep Gladiator 2021 right before this actually.
Okay.
All done up and shit. I actually just got totaled.
Ooh.
Someone backed up into me.
Oh shit.
Yeah, and so I fucking snapped my axle, did a bunch of shit to it, and the insurance just claimed me out actually for it.
Wait, good thing you're okay, and
blessing,
yeah.
Yeah, blessing in disguise.
Exactly.
And, I saw this, and I pretty much fell in love with this.
There it is, man. And I see you got the passport hat on. Got to give a shout out to my boy Chris.
Hell yeah.
You already know, man.
That's the homie right there.
Hell yeah. Congrats to him too for opening up that new shop here in Santa Maria.
Yeah.
Shout out to my boy Chris.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, this thing is clean. So how long have you had it for already?
Fuck, a month already.
Oh, already a month? 2,500 miles on it?
Yeah.
That's right. You've been driving it, huh?
2,500 miles.
Yes, sir. And I seen you did that video with my boy Mikey.
Here it goes, guys, versus the TRX. Ready?
Yep.
And the Raptor.
Yeah, we took it out to the riverbed. I ain't never did that with a truck like this before, bro. Like,
Got some runs in.
It's crazy. It's nuts, bro. It's a little different than being on the streets. That's for sure.
Oh hell yeah, way
I give
different.
that full props for being able to do that shit one-handed, bro.
Oh yeah, he's
got the camera in the hand and shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, I ain't doing that shit, bro. That's wild.
He's very experienced, man. He's done a lot of stuff to that Raptor.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
dope. Yeah.
Badass.
So if you guys want to see that video, go check that out. I'll drop the link to it. You already know my boy Turb Raptor, the Turb Raptor channel. So go check that out. You guys have seen him on the channel before if you're familiar with the content. But man, check this thing out. 6.2 liter supercharged. Hopefully it ain't too windy for you guys. I need to get a damn mic cover or whatever those things are. Boom, there it is. Oh, pop the cover off.
That's what everybody trips out on.
Oh shit.
The emblem, the T-Rex eating the
Oh
Raptor.
yeah. You show that to Mikey?
Oh dude, yeah, he was like,
That's dope, bro. I fuck with Dodge for that. Oh shit.
yeah.
Yeah, that is crazy.
Yeah, it's far back.
It's way back
I
there.
guess it's for distribution, I guess, for the...
Yeah, there has to be. But yeah, this thing is big, bro. That's one thing about it is like, cause I've seen videos of it and the Raptor doing off-road stuff. And I think it's like a little too big to compete with the Raptor for like off-roading as far as like doing jumps and, you know, all that other stuff.
It's just a little heavier.
It's heavy, you know, but as far as like power and stuff like that.
See, I'm curious to see what Ford does when they come out with the Type R.
Oh yeah.
Coming out with the Type R.
Oh yeah.
Supposedly the GT500 Shelby, they're throwing that, the supercharged GT500 engine in a Raptor.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's what supposedly they're doing in 2021, 2022.
That's gonna be crazy.
So that's gonna be a little, you know, a little different. It's gonna be a little bit more competition for this thing because it's gonna be horsepower and that Raptor's gonna add a lot of weight to it. You know what I mean,
Yeah.
This thing's 6,000 pounds.
Yeah, that's a lot of weight.
But it's still 0 to 60 in 4 seconds.
I was gonna say if you want to get a run in with the Scat, we don't got to do it today, but you know, sometime whenever.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
That'd be a dope video.
Yeah, dude. I've been kind of itching to eat up some people around here, bro. Like,
This shit's clean though, man. I like the little, functional vents right
I
here.
have plans for it too once parts come out, bro. Like,
Oh yeah, yeah.
dude, there's no parts for it right now. I mean,
Because everything's brand new.
Yeah, exactly.
From the other Ram, the Ram Rebel and everything.
And see, everybody compares that shit, but it is a little bit. But dude, they, like I said, they redesigned the whole motherfucking thing. They took the Rebel idea,
Yeah.
but they redesigned the whole chassis,
Right.
the whole fucking the independent suspension, 5-link. You know, it's crazy.
Yeah, yeah.
So 1 link right here, 2-link suspension, 3, 4, 5 on the axle. If you look under there, right
Oh
there.
shit.
Yeah. So
that's
it's
crazy.
trophy truck style.
Right.
Like it's.
All
it's
legit.
what
Look
the
at
Raptor
this.
is going to have. Actually, Raptor's gonna have 3-link.
That's dope, bro.
It's crazy because I wanted to put an exhaust on it too, but my boy, he's like, dude, there's already a full titanium exhaust on this thing.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Well, shit. Speaking of this, you want to
Yeah, let's
pop? You know, let's hear what it sound like, man. Sheesh, I already see that big old screen. Okay, I like the door panels. Yeah, I see that right here, huh? I got the Alcantara, Harman Kardon sound system. Yeah, the door panels look nice. The leather seats with the TRX right there. Soft leather.
Right here on the inside.
Oh, got the Alcantara right there. Nice little touch. A little ram.
You got their little badge right there.
Oh, I like this. They got the little ridges in the steps. Says ram right there. Boom. TRX on the dash.
Little stash spot.
Oh shit.
Little stash spot.
That's dope. That's dope. Hey, got that.
There.
Damn, that's sick.
With the VIN number and everything.
Oh, nice.
Supercharged.
Dang, they did it up in this. Got the Alcantara right here too.
Yeah, exactly. They did it up, bro.
Cup holders. More cup holders.
Yeah, bro. And then 2 more on the side.
Yeah. Oh shit, they got you 2 over here.
Yeah.
Usually it's just 1.
Yeah.
A big drink and a little drink.
Yeah.
Dang, you see the big old screen it got? That's crazy. That's like a damn Tesla screen right there.
Oh,
dang, came with all that.
It's got
Red push to start button.
Got the same shit like Hellcats do and all that shit.
Looks like a damn Tesla screen or something. Big old iPad right there,
It's
man.
crazy. So you got your performance pages on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like your Hellcats do.
I got that too in the Scat.
Do you?
Yeah, I
You
got
all
that.
the
Yeah.
performance pages on
Well,
it?
it's a wide body, so.
Yeah. So
It comes with it, yeah. I think the newer Scat packs might have it too. The regular body ones, all that.
Drive modes.
Yup.
So it changes every time. So like if I go to sport, boom,
Yeah,
it
switch it
hardens up the whole, stiffens up everything. Sports,
all that.
toe. There you go. Changes, stiffens up just the springs.
That's dope how it shows it with all the little colors and stuff.
Yeah. So same thing with the mud.
Oh yeah, I didn't see all those over here.
Yeah, rock.
Baja.
And Baja. And
That's
then the
right.
valet mode, so like I have a thing on my key, you know, I can
So when you have other people drive it, they don't go crazy in it. Yeah, I have that in mind. I've never used it though.
Really?
I've never used. I've never had the opportunity to use it.
Yeah.
What you got on the dash though?
Yeah, 2400.
120.
Oh yeah, 120.
Does it cap out at 100?
Dude, I've got to on the full 120 and it wants to go.
For real?
Yeah, so there's a speedometer I can tune into the computer and get that out real quick.
Oh yeah, for sure. If you get a tune and all that.
Yeah, exactly.
I thought it capped out at like 100 or something like that. I thought it was like governed.
Your car lock?
Yeah, let me lock it. That seatbelt on. Oh shit.
I wasn't even full throttle.
Nah.
Without a mic to pass. Without a mic to pass.
Oh man, that's crazy for a truck.
Have you seen Tall Guy?
Yeah, hell yeah.
That fool, he has his and just got.
I'm mixing focus vocabulary and verses just darkened.
Have you seen Tall Guy?
Yeah, hell yeah.
That fool, he has his and just got.
I'm mixing focus vocabulary.
Are you using the paddle shifters over there?
Oh yeah. Gotta use them if I gotta.
Oh hell yeah, bro. So how you been liking it? You been loving it or what?
Bro, I love it. I mean, to be honest, it's everything I could really ask for in a truck.
You like it more than the Jeep?
Oh yeah. I mean, it's just more power. I've always had power in my life. So
The Jeeps are kind of slow, huh?
yeah, they're a little slow. I wish, dude, like I've seen them Hellcat swapped.
They got the Hellcat Jeep coming out
dude,
now.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit.
They got that Hellcat Jeep coming out.
That's crazy. Yeah, no, most of them I've seen are all engine swapped.
Yeah.
But, bro, those, I mean, because those things only weigh like 4,000 pounds.
Tim the Tap Man has one. He Hellcat.
Shit.
You know who Tim the Tap Man is?
No, I never heard.
He's a streamer
Yeah.
on Twitch, and he did that in his Jeep, in his Rubicon. I thought we were gonna have to do like a race that ended at 100 or something like that.
No.
Oh hell yeah!
I mean, dude, it'll keep going if I fucking had that tune in there.
Oh yeah, once you get that.
Dude, I saw like I was saying that tall guy reviews, bro.
I was gonna tell you about that too, because he's doing all that shit.
He's doing all that shit to that, and I was like, damn, bro, that's just absolutely insane.
Yeah. Feeling that, being in a truck and feeling that power.
Yeah, being in this big, everybody just wants to get out of the way, bro.
I bet.
I mean, dude, you already have a platform in here, you know, that is reliable.
And it just hooks too, bro.
Oh, yeah, I mean,
ain't no spinach, no nothing.
Yeah, it's nice on the street. You know, like, you want anything with some sand in it.
It's a
little rough.
yeah.
It's a little rough, but some dirt and shit like this, no problem.
Have you took it to the dunes yet?
I'm not.
You plan on taking it to the dunes?
I do have plans.
Yeah, cause we got dunes out here, man. That would be dope. Go over there with Mikey.
Yeah, Mikey W6.
He'll show you what's up.
Actually, to be honest, I was surprised to find one of these, dude, cause I see them up in LA and they're like 130. You know, like 30 grand, 40 grand over markup.
Yeah, how much you get this one for?
93.
What?
93, 103
that's not bad,
out the
dude.
door.
That's not bad, bro.
Yeah, no, so
I mean, considering everything that's going on.
Yeah, exactly.
That's not bad at all.
I mean, the price of trucks in general, dude.
Oh yeah,
you know what I mean?
They're expensive.
Yeah, they're expensive, exactly. As far as I know, it's the only one on the Central Coast.
It's the only one that I've seen. Like I said, a few days, like literally a few days before you hit me up, I seen you over there, like by Home Depot. Yeah, I passed by. I was like, oh shit, is that a TRX right there?
Yeah, dude, to be honest, not a lot. They look at this thing and they don't really, you know, they look at it and they're, oh, it's a Rebel.
Right.
I mean, and then they double look and then they're like, okay, it's not a Rebel, bro.
Yeah, people don't know about this one yet. Unless you know, like unless you're a car person and you know about shit. Yeah. People don't know what this is.
I mean, dude, they're calling this shit like the super truck right now. You know what I mean?
Oh, I mean, that's what it is, dude.
I mean, as far as I know, it's like... And I mean, it's kind of crazy that it's such a silent truck until you punch on it, bro.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say when you first started it. I was like, oh, what the heck?
Yeah.
Then you hit the gas and I was like, okay, there it is.
It's a whole nother level.
Yeah, it's definitely like if you put an exhaust system on, like a good exhaust system on this thing, that shit's gonna sound crazy.
Like I said, dude, there's only one fucking exhaust system out, dude. That's out right now, completely.
You could cut the mufflers though on this, no?
Yeah, you could.
You gonna do that or no?
I don't know, dude. I think I'll just wait till I get another.
Yeah, that's probably the smart thing to do.
Maybe, you know, within the next year and a half, I do want to get a 2.
That's fucking crazy. What the hell?
Yeah.
What is that, satellite?
Yeah, exactly, bro. That's kind of trippy.
Bruh.
That's
I've seen it and then I was like, hold up.
Yeah, that's a satellite.
That's fucking dope.
Down and then like 3D.
Yeah, that's crazy. Google Maps type shit.
Yeah, it's fucking
Google Earth. That's dope, bro.
Yeah, that trips me out.
My bad to cut you off, but I was just like, wait, what the fuck? Good. So there you guys have it, man. My boy right here. Appreciate you fucking taking me for a ride in the whip. This thing is crazy. The Ram TRX, you guys see it. Yeah, man, this thing is nuts. Speaks for itself. But we're about to get a run in, so stay tuned for that video. And if you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. It helps out tremendously. So thank you guys. All links are down below in the description for anything you guys might need. Anything you want to plug?
No, I appreciate your support as well, bro.
For sure, no doubt, man. Hell yeah. I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Like I said, stay tuned for that run because we're about to see what this TRX can do with that Scat Pack over there. Sheesh. Or what the Scat Pack could do with this TRX. Yeah, that shit's about to be lit. But I'm gonna catch you guys soon, man. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute.